Hi, I'm Billi Maddox, and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Welcome to spooky season. On this dark and stormy night. So much storm outside. It's raining and storming. It's spooky. Oh my god, it's so spooky. I'm just kidding, it's not raining. Okay, let's talk about some shitty costumes. So today we're going to be talking about some high concept, very low effort costumes that you could wear at your workplace where you probably have to wear a mask because you're around other people, and the sensible thing is to wear a mask. So I got to wear a mask when I go to work, and I've got a couple of these masks. I got a Darth Vader mask and an Iron Man mask, so I figured let's put some stuff together. Let's print out some stuff on a color printer at your job if they allow you to do that. I mean, fucking take advantage of it, shit. And let's do this. Now, let's go to the character pick screen. I'm going to put all this stuff together. We're going to do some low effort stuff. Just tape something to your shirt, wear a thing, wear a mask. Now, this is just original recipe me. This is just me, no costume, original recipe. This is the Vader costume, Vader mask. Very low effort, work appropriate attire. And here is Tony Stark with the Infinity Gauntlet when he died. Those are gonna be my costumes. How sad is that? Because Halloween, you can't really Halloween. And everyone knows I love costumes because I do cosplay. So I love very elaborate costumes, but I do have a soft spot in my heart for some very high concept, but very, very low effort costumes. Thanks so much for watching. Roll the thing.